In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an email address from your LinkedIn account. You'll find this process straightforward and easy to follow. So let's get started right away. First, you want to open your LinkedIn app. If you haven't signed in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once that's done, you'll be greeted by your LinkedIn homepage. Now direct your attention to the top left or right corner of your screen, depending on your device. You'll see your profile icon there. Give that a tap. This will open up a menu of options related to your profile. From this list, scroll down gently until you see the option labeled Settings and tap on it. Now in this Settings area, there are several sections available to explore. For this task, we're interested in Sign In and Security. This section is crucial for managing all your account-specific details. After you select Sign In and Security, look for an option that says Email Addresses. This is where LinkedIn stores all the email addresses associated with your account. As you'll notice, there's a secondary email listed here, and this is the one that you'll be removing. Next, locate the Remove option next to the email address you wish to delete. This is usually highlighted or underlined to indicate it can be modified. Tap on Remove, and you will be prompted to enter your LinkedIn password. This step is essential for ensuring that unauthorized changes are not made to your account, adding an extra layer of security. So go ahead, carefully type in your password. Once you've done that, tap Done. That's it. After you complete these steps, the email will be successfully deleted from your LinkedIn account. This is a handy feature if you're trying to streamline your contact methods or managing several email addresses. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button below. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. By clicking the bell icon, you'll receive notifications for all our new uploads, keeping you up to date with all the latest tips and tricks for optimizing your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.